The famous quote by Benjamin Franklin, "Fail to plan, plan to fail," is also applicable when it comes to our end of year wine and food pairing. Whether you're having a simple get together with friends and family or an elegant supper, if you want to prevent it from being a mismatch of flavours and textures that will not be enjoyable, then keep watching for some tips for planning your end of year wine and food pairing. I am so delighted to have you joining me today. Welcome to Etiquette UK. If you're trying to find me when I'm not here, please try and find me on Instagram or Twitter and leave your etiquette questions for me. Etiquette UK is not about being perfect. I'll repeat that, not about being perfect. Business etiquette is going to help you to grow in confidence, and you'll be able to enter any boardroom and be able to have your seat at the table. People will listen to what you have to say because you'll have the confidence to contribute at the table. Good manners, without a doubt, will open doors for you. Doors of opportunity. People will like you, people will support you, people will compliment you, people will recommend you because you are kind. I'm here to let you know that you can improve your life. Etiquette UK helps you with every area of your life. So are you ready to connect those gaps and start living the life you should be living? Etiquette UK is here to help you live that life starting today. Let's start with a pairing that you might have when you get together with friends for a movie night. So perhaps you might have a pizza, and it's a good one to start with because it creates an easy start for you when it comes to your food pairing. I'd just like to say thank you for coming back and watching my videos. I really do appreciate you. So let's start with the basic principles of food and wine pairing. There are 5 building blocks of taste. So we have bitter, sweet, salt or salty, and sour. Oh, I do not recommend that you do this at all. How we're going to use these 5 building blocks to pair food and wine, we want to be having balancing flavours, we want to be having contrasting flavours, we want to be having enhancing flavours. These tastes are so important for wine and food pairing because they can enhance, as I said previously, or suppress each other's flavour. For example, a sweet wine can help to balance out the bitterness of a dish, while a salty dish can help to bring out the sweetness of a wine. There are also other factors that can affect the taste of wine and food, such as the texture, the temperature, and aroma. Texture can affect how the wine feels in the mouth, while temperature can affect how the wine tastes. Aroma can play a role in wine and food pairing, as it can enhance or suppress the flavour of both the wine and the food. So there's a lot going off in the brain, and all the taste, the textures, the flavours are becoming like a firework in your mouth if the balance isn't quite right. So you want it to be really nice and harmonious. Don't worry if this is your first experience of tasting wine. And if you don't like it, there will be another one that you will enjoy. Or remember, there's so many incredible alcohol-free wines, and I will leave a link down below. Pizza can be paired with both white and red wine. The type of wine you choose depends on the toppings on the pizza. For example, a pizza with simple tomato and mozzarella cheese would be good with a light red wine. And then a pizza with a flavourful topping such as pepperoni or sausage would be better with a medium-bodied red wine. A white wine with its acidity is a good choice for a pizza that has cheese because of its saltiness, and if you add spinach you now have the bitter, so you have lots of flavour and textures. And then the white wine would be really good for this type of pizza topping. But ultimately you want to up the price that you pay for your wine so that you're getting the best complementary flavours when you're enjoying your pizza, and that's how you elevate your pizza night. And you turn your pizza night to an elevated yet simple dinner party that you can actually throw together. Doesn't take much time and effort, and you can get together with your friends if they just pop round. What's your view of Hawaiian pizza? Do you think it's unsophisticated? Comment down below. I'd love to know your view on Hawaiian pizza. Now there are a few reasons why people think that Hawaiian pizza is unsophisticated. It's a combination of sweet and savoury flavours. We've already discussed that typically pizzas are savoury. We've talked about the tomato sauce and the cheese and the meat. And now we've got this addition of pineapple, which is sweet and can be a little bit jarring for some people. Pineapple can make a pizza really soggy. Yeah, I get that, I hear you, I agree with you. And pizza, for some people, can be seen as a bit of a novelty pizza. Hawaiian pizza is not traditional pizza, some might say.